To more news, after submitting her answer ad cotelam to the Senate, the House Prosecution Panel, through its spokesperson, voiced a sharp criticism, claiming Vice President Sara Duterte failed to address the core allegations. Mobile journalist Amy Atienza has a report.
Impeachment spokesperson Attorney Odi Bukoy already left his remarks after Vice President Sara Duterte answered ad cotelem to the Senate regarding her impeachment case.
Yung kanyang sagot, wala ho siyang factual nor legal grounds ukol doon sa mga factual allegations ng impeachment complaint. It was all procedural.
The House of Representatives already received a copy of Vice President Sara Duterte's answer ad cotelam last Monday, June 23. The document presented by the Vice President insists the impeachment court to dismiss her impeachment case. Reasons include violating one-year bar rule under the Constitution, lack of ultimate facts in the articles of impeachment, and citing an abuse of the impeachment process. For Attorney Bukoy, this is what the House Prosecution Panel has expected from the Vice President.
Predictable po eh. Sa mga naging pangyayari ng mga nakaraang araw bago siya naglahad ng kanyang sagot, inaasahan na po namin ito na she will file something like this. Patuloy niyang hindi kikilalanin ang jurisdiction ng impeachment court at maninindigan siya na walang jurisdiction.
Bukoy added that the answer ad cotelam means that VP Sara does not recognize the jurisdiction of the impeachment court. Regardless, the lower chamber plans to reply on the Vice President's answer.
Magpapile kami ng reply. Ang deadline namin ay sa Sabado, pero palagay ko handa kaming sumagot ng mas maaga.
During the press conference, Bukoy mentioned that the insisted dismissal of the impeachment case was not a bloodbath they expected from VP Sara. What remains now for the House Prosecution Panel is for the impeachment trial to continue. Bukoy cleared that their main role for the current case of VP Sara is to prove the allegations of their filed charges, which are based on facts as seen on the impeachment articles.
Matutuloy ang trial because meron ng sagot. Kung ang sagot niya ay ganyan lang, yan ho ay kanyang kakulangan. Hindi po papel ng prosecution na punuan ang kanyang kakulangan.
Mobile journalist Amy Atienza, we are One News.